Hey there, charmers. Yeah, no. I am not one for the cutesy nickname things, so that's not gonna work for me. We're just gonna stick to, hey guys, it's Tina and I am back. And it is time for our Boxycharm unboxing for December 2018. It's the last box of the year, and it should be special and fun, so here you have it. I actually got the box early this month, and I feel like I'm gonna be early posting this video, so you can't make jokes about how late I am to the game this time around. In fact, I got the box so early that they sent out an email that was telling us not to reveal the box or do any videos or post any videos until December 7th. So we got it that early, and I'm ahead of I'm ahead of myself this month, so I should get like a trophy, a certificate of participation, a little pat on the back, something to celebrate me not being halfway through the month before posting this video. I just feel like that's appropriate, so work with me. Work with me. Anyway, we're gonna jump into the box and see the goodies that are in here. As usual, let me know what you guys got in your box, if you got the same items, and what are your opinions on the items, because that's what we do here. We share the feedback, you know, we look over the palette, we say, all right, is this worth it? Is this not worth it? So let's jump right into it. As usual, they include the little, you know, the little insert with all the details of the box. So this theme is 'Tis the Season. And season is spelled like C-S-E-A, as in the ocean, you know, swimmy, swim, beach, sand, all that stuff. And sun, which is in like the sunshine, like the thing that warms the air, even though it's like really freezing right now and I'm not having it. I don't like this weather. I hate winter, but that's besides the point. I was actually expecting this to be more holiday themed, or at least like celebration themed. But they have a flamingo, and it seems more tropical, and I'm okay with that because I'm a tropical girl, but at the same time I'm like, does it really go? But let's see what's in the box, so we'll see if it really is tropical themed or holiday themed. So the first thing they have here is a Tarte glitter lip paint, and this retails for $20. So it says this sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, a multi-dimensional and high shine finish. The reflective glitter gloss can stand alone or as a lip topper, giving your lips a fuller look. The sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat, soothe, and soften the lips. And the shade we have here is Insta-Famous. So this is a sheer champagne gloss with multi-dimensional glitter, as it says. There is blue glitter, pink, purple, and gold. This is really beautiful. It's an iridescent gloss with a sheer base, like I said. And you can see that it's reflective. It's, ooh, I smell the shea butter. Actually, it actually smells like cocoa butter. That's a really nice smell. This feels a little bit sticky though, I'm not gonna lie. Not my preference. I don't love a sticky gloss. I prefer more of a liquidy gloss, more of a hydrating feel rather than a sticky gloss. I know sticky glosses are more long wearing, but this applicator, it has a curved little divot in the doe foot, but it doesn't deliver a lot of product. And when it's sticky like this, like I'm gonna have to keep re-dipping to get product out, because it doesn't really pick up a lot on the brush. And if I'm gonna layer this over something, I don't want to keep re-dipping. I don't know, like I don't love the applicator on that. And I think this is a little bit sticky, not my preference. I prefer a thinner gloss, like the Urban Decay lip glosses are really nice, or think about the Fenty Gloss Bomb glosses. Those thinner, more liquidy, watery, non-sticky glosses are my preference, because I do like to layer my lip glosses over a lip product and I don't want it to be sticky, you know what I mean? So it's really pretty, but I don't know if I'm gonna love this, but it's a really pretty gloss. If you don't mind a sticky gloss, and if you don't mind re-dipping like multiple times, you might like this. But okay, so with this one, not like, oh my god, this is so amazing. Then they have a Bodyography lip liner, and the shade I received is Heather Berry. This retails for $12, and it says here, this vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. This is a nude shade. It's a pinky, more of like a... Oh my god. The point literally just popped off. That's wonderful. Great. Good job. Are you kidding me? Now, just swiping this on my arm, it's very stiff, very dry. So where's the coconut oil and vitamin E? Because that does not feel smooth at all. I'm going to have to sharpen this. Without even saying it, it's a wooden pencil, which you would have to sharpen. It's not a twist up. And oh my god, it's very dry. It feels very dry. And the thing is, I don't even mind a dry lip pencil because I find them more long wearing. When they're drier, they tend to stay in place longer. But this is extremely dry. Now, one tip I have for dry lip pencils or even eye pencils, if you just use your blow dryer on a low heat setting and just pass over it for a couple of seconds, it usually softens up the formula and gives you a creamier glide to the pencil. But so far this is dry, so I would say you'd have to warm this up a bit. But it's a beautiful color. It's more of like a mauvey pink, like a rosy, no, I would say it's a rosy nude. It's beautiful. That would make a beautiful like neutral lip. I would still need like a deeper lip liner than this though, but I can see using this as a lip liner all over lip color and then topping it with the gloss. You know what? Actually, let's put that gloss on top and see what it looks like. I have to dip multiple times to get gloss. That is actually really pretty. Not for nothing. But that lip pencil though, my hand hurts. So if you have to put that on your lips, you're probably going to drag a bit. But isn't that a pretty color just with the gloss over it? You can probably see the iridescence of the gloss just a little bit too. All right, so far I'm not, overly thrilled with these products because that lip pencil hurt my whole hand. Next we have a Wonder Beauty Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. This is a Boxycharm exclusive launch, and it says here that there are 3 shades in here, 2 blush shades and a highlighter shade, and it says, and I quote, "It is specially formulated to flatter all skin tones and types." Do not make that claim, please. It's very difficult to flatter all skin tones and all skin types. It doesn't, no. What they mean by this is they're going to stick in the medium to tan range and hope that nobody notices. It's pretty much what is happening. So this retails for $26 and it contains, let's see how much product. So it's 0.07 ounce per shade. So that's like a large eyeshadow. And it's formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrance, which is always a good thing. And it has a 24-month usage life. Now, as I said, this is not a palette that's going to be crossover for very pale skin or very deep skin. These shades are not going to go the gamut of the skin tone range, let's be honest. In fact, this might be pushing it a little bit for even my skin tone, which I am not even that dark. This is going to be more suitable for medium and tan skin. So there's a little mirror. It's cute. It's cute. It's a trio. Like they said, 2 blush shades. But the Havana Light shade, which is the blush shade, is a rosy shade with golden shimmer. There's no glitter to this, which I really appreciate. And that shimmer is really beautiful. That is nice. That's like a more pigmented rosy version of NARS Orgasm. That is actually really pretty. I would use that as a blush, but it's a glowy blush. Just be mindful of that. Then the other shade that's meant to be a blush is Tuscan Sunrise. And this guy is, it's thinner. It's a little bit more sheer. It's a little bit more powdery as well. It dusts away. But that's definitely like a highlighter on me. That's not going to be a blush shade. It barely shows up. So this is more my speed for a highlighter if it's not like in your face, but that's really not impressive at all for that's not really showing up at all. And then the actual highlight shade is called City Lights, and that is more of a goldy champagne. That would make a pretty highlight on my skin as well. So I'd probably have to mix those 2 shades to get like a beautiful highlight. This could probably also translate on darker skin than me because it's more golden. It's not icy silvery. But then on really porcelain skin, I can see that being a little bit too dark. and they would have to probably use it as a blush topper rather than a highlight. So I don't know that I'm in love with this little exclusive trio. It's cute and I can get use out of it, but it's not like, if you're into high shine shimmery highlighters, this is not it. If you're into more subtle like I am, like I think this palette would pull off this same look that I have going, which I prefer, but that's not gonna really suit the gamut of skin tones. But all right. Then we have a Cosmedix Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. This says it detoxifies your pores from daily grime, and it's a what now? It says a diatomaceous earth visibly improves the brightness of your skin, while the activated charcoal and kaolin clay draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. I just butchered that word. I need to know how to pronounce that. Anyway, this retails for $30. I'm going to search for this pronunciation because I need to know. Just so you know, this says it's a naturally occurring soft, siliceous, sedimentary rock that is easily crumbled into a fine white to off-white powder. So this is actual dirt. So, ooh, okay. Let's see what Emma says.
Diatomaceous.
So this is a detox face mask, and you should apply a generous amount to clean damp skin, massage on your skin, circular motion, and leave on to 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse and pat dry. Now, it says also to wear sunscreen when using this product, as it contains ingredients that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Whew, wait a minute now. I don't know that I'm liking all the masks that Boxycharm is including, because they tend to be a lot of charcoal masks. I don't know that people with dry skin or sensitive skin can really enjoy charcoal activated and like drying masks. Is that I don't know. You tell me, if you have dry skin or sensitive skin, do you like charcoal masks? Like detox masks? Are they too drying on your skin? I don't know, because for me, I enjoy them because they're charcoal and drying and purifying and all that stuff, but I don't know how you guys feel. So far, I'm still on the so-so with this box. So the last thing that's included in this is a SUVA Beauty Protege palette. This retails for $34. This is new from SUVA Beauty. It is a versatile, warm, and cool tone palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. So there are only 6 eyeshadows in here and 2 highlighter shades, and it's a very neutral palette. It has the cool tone shades here, which are more leaning on the mauvey pinky side, and then it has a coppery bronze and a warm toasty brown with 2 highlight shades. One is more pinky and one is more champagne. Let's see here. These mattes from SUVA Beauty, I've noticed that their formulation doesn't feel very smooth and creamy. It's more of a drier texture, and it feels a little bit more thin than I would like, but the pigmentation tends to be there. It's not a bad palette, but these 2 tones, this is the pink and this is the other ivory, those look extremely similar on my skin tone, so I can skip one of these. And then let's feel the shimmer shades. The bronzy, the coppery shade is beautiful. And then the more pinky shade, like a pinky champagne, that has a little bit of silver shimmer to it. That's okay. I don't know that I'm in love with this at all. So far, not thrilled. Then you have the highlighter shade, which I don't know why they would include a highlighter palette and then a eyeshadow palette with highlighters in it, because it's like getting 2 highlighter palettes. I don't know that that makes sense. And the pinky highlight in this is, oh, hell no for me. That is very icy pink. No. It has a little bit of duochrome, like a pinky purple shift. Cute. The champagne shade, a little bit too icy as well. That is not something I would wear. I'm gonna say it, I'm not feeling this either. So, disappointing box. I am not. Usually, the last monthly box is usually hit it out the park. The box I got last year for December was pretty fun. If I do recall, it was a fun box. This one is kind of lackluster for me. It's fallen, like, I am not excited about any of these products. which sounds terrible, but none of these products are really like, oh my god, this is awesome. I don't like this palette. I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. I don't like this pencil, and I'm okay with this lip gloss. So, with that being said, I am not feeling this month's box at all. Is that just me? Am I in a negative place right now? I don't know, like, I am not thrilled. I am not. But it's okay. Not every month is gonna be great. If this was your first month and you have the same feelings as me, you'd probably be like, I'm good. I can skip the other months. But, you know, I give them a chance because last month I liked quite a few things. This month is kind of, I'll use probably 2 products, 3 maybe. I don't know. Like, I'm not vibing with this box. What did you guys get? How do you guys feel about these products? Are you thrilled with any of these products? Let me know. Maybe I'm just being a negative Nancy right now, and I don't see like the really positive side. So let me know what you guys think. As usual, I'm gonna leave like all the details for Boxycharm down below in the description box. I will also leave my referral link for Boxycharm, which means if you sign up using that link, I will get a referral bonus for you signing up using my link. If you're not comfortable with that, just go ahead and sign up the usual way if you're interested. But if you do sign up through my link, thank you so much, because it does help me to put right back into the channel. And I will also leave links to my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, where you should be following me along. I will also leave details on whatever I'm wearing on my face, because I know I've been getting questions lately and I really should be including that as well. So I'll leave all those details down below. And until my next video, which will be very soon, I'll talk to you. Bye, guys.